Today I'm gonna show you how to replace a photo-escape windshield washer nozzle. All you need is a wider flathead screwdriver and a narrow flathead screwdriver. Now let's open the hood. There are several fasteners here. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, several. And first you need to take off the protection cover. All you need is use the wider flathead screwdriver to push it and pull out. It will come out. This one. And after that you pull out, the fastener will come out. Now I have removed the protection panel. There are 3 nozzles. Here's 1, 2, and 3. I just want to replace this one. To replace this one, first you see here, let's see closer. There's a black circle here. You can turn it around. You can take it off or you can put it back. But to us, we just let it turn it toward us. And then we can pull this a little bit. You see here, this is off. All the next thing you need to do is put your small screwdriver inside here and turn a little bit. It will come off. See here, and pull it back. This is all you have. After that, you can replace by yourself. I can pull this out. That's all you need to do. When you put it back, when you install it, there's one thing I would like to remind you. After you put it back, here, you need to turn this black one to the left side. Also, remember that for the black piece, there's a direction. You see clearly. There's one cut off. There's a direction. You should put the cut off to the top. Turn it 90 degrees. Okay, it's fastened.